If the siding on your house looks gross like this and you're trying to figure out the best way to clean it without having to buy or rent a pressure washer, there is a much easier way that you can get this done, and it takes 30 seconds. All you need is a hose. The product that makes this magic happen is called the Outdoor Miracle Formula, and they claim that it will clean in 30 seconds. You can use this on your house, your deck, your fence, and it will clean all of that nasty algae and mildew right off of the surface. The best part is they say that it's safe for use around your lawn and all of your plants. It comes in an easy to use spray bottle where you simply attach your hose in order to make it work. On the top, there are 3 selections you can choose from. There is the off setting, there is the rinse setting, and there is the clean setting, which actually sprays the chemical from the bottle out onto the surface that you're cleaning. Once you attach the hose, it is as simple as turning that blue selector to the setting that you want. So when you're ready to clean, put it on the clean setting, spray the surface that you have nice and evenly across the entire surface. You'll want to let this sit for a little while, but as it sits, you're going to notice in our test section here that it immediately starts to work. That green is fading like wicked fast. I'm super impressed with how well this works, honestly. And I've given you the comparison here where you have the nasty section at the top and the clean section at the bottom, so you can see just how well this cleans. Once it starts to fade, you can rinse it right off of the siding and your siding is nice and clean. Now this siding was so bad, I actually had to hit it a second time, which when I used this before, I did not have to do, but I've got to tell you, this is like some of the grossest siding I've seen in a really long time. But when you look at the difference between the filthy section and the clean section here at the bottom, you get a really good idea of just how well this stuff works. But that second treatment made it nice and clean. One thing to keep in mind with these spray bottles is you can get them in 3 packs. I think you can actually buy refill jugs for them as well. You will need all 3 if you're gonna do the entire side of a house, which I just did here. I've gone through 2 bottles and I still have a little bit left to do, so bottle number 3 is absolutely gonna be needed. Hey, if you're having challenges with your garden hose on this project and you're looking for a retractable or an expandable option for your yard, click or tap on one of these videos. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.